Can you find the grammar mistake in this sentence? Sarah read a book every day. Is this sentence correct? Think for a moment. The answer is no. There is one small mistake. Do you know what it is? Stay with me and you will find out soon. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learning While Listening Anytime. I am so happy you are here today. Today, we are going to learn about the present simple. The present simple is very important. We use it every single day when we speak English. It is easy to learn. Watch this video until the end. You will speak much better English after this lesson. Pause the video whenever I ask a question. Say your answer out loud before I reveal it. What is the present simple? The present simple talks about habits. It talks about things we do every day. It talks about routines. For example, waking up, eating, and going to school. It also talks about facts. Facts are things that are always true. For example, the sun is hot. It is very simple. Today, we are learning action verbs. The verb be is special. We will learn the present simple of be in another lesson. To use the present simple, we have two simple rules. Rules number 1. We use the normal verb for I, you, we, and they. The normal verb means no changes. We do not add an S. Let us look at some examples. I eat an apple. You read a book. We walk to the park. They clean the house. I like my family. You drive a car. We go to the market. They call a friend on the phone. Notice that the verbs do not change. Eat, read, walk, clean like, drive, go, call. So rule 1 is no S for I, you, we, and they. Now for rule number 2. We use this rule for he, she, and it. We also use this rule for one person, like Sarah or Tom. Rule number 2 is add an S to the verb. Let us look at some examples. He eats an apple. She reads a book. It sleeps in the house. Sarah walks to the park. Tom drives a car. Emma cleans the hospital. The doctor works every day. The dog runs fast. Notice the verbs have an S. Eats, reads, sleeps, walks, drives, cleans, works, runs. That is rule number 2. Just add an S for he, she, and it. Sometimes we add S, and sometimes we say ES. For example, work becomes works. Go becomes goes. Watch becomes watches. We will learn these spelling rules in a future lesson. You are doing a great job with learning while listening anytime. Now let us practice with real sentences. I will read a sentence. You tell me if the verb has an S or no S. Sentence 1. The teacher works at the school. Can you find the present simple verb? The answer is works. We add an S because the teacher is one person. Sentence 2. I go to the library. Can you find the verb? The answer is go. No S because the subject is I. Sentence 3. David likes his cat. Where is the verb? The answer is likes. We add an S because David is a he. Sentence 4. We eat at the restaurant. Find the verb. The answer is eat. No S because the subject is we. Sentence 5. The phone rings loudly. What is the verb? The answer is rings. We add an S because the phone is in it. Sentence 6. You drink water. Where is the verb? The answer is drink. No S because the subject is you. Sentence 7. My family travels to the airport. Find the verb. The answer is travels. Family is a single unit, so we add an S. Sentence 8. They play in the park. What is the verb? The answer is play. No S because the subject is they. Sentence 9. Sarah cooks dinner. Where is the verb? The answer is cooks. We add an S because Sarah is a she. Sentence 10. I love my dog. Find the verb. The answer is love. No S because the subject is I. Now for a quick challenge. Can you fix this sentence? He walked to school every day. Pause the video to think. The answer is, he walks to school every day. We must add an S because the subject is he. It is time for some listening practice. Listen to Sarah and Tom talking. They will use many present simple verbs. Listen carefully. Sarah says, "Hello, Tom." Tom says, "Hi, Sarah, how are you?" Sarah says, "I am good. I go to the market every morning." Tom says, "Oh, my mother goes to the market too." Sarah says, "Do you buy apples?" Tom says, "Yes, we love apples. My dog eats them too." Sarah says, "Really? A dog eats apples?" Tom says, "Yes, he likes them very much." Sarah says, "That is funny. I walk my cat in the park." Tom says, "Cats do not like walks." Sarah says, "My cat walks with me every day." Tom says, "We have very strange pets." Did you hear the verbs? Which verbs with an S did you hear? I will give you a moment to think. Here are the answers. Goes, eats, likes, and walks. Which verbs without an S did you hear? Think for a moment. Here are the answers. Go by, love, do, and have. You are doing wonderfully with learning while listening anytime. Now let us look at 5 common mistakes learners make. Mistake number 1. The wrong sentence is, he play in the park. The correct sentence is, he plays in the park. We must add an S for he, she, and it. Mistake number 2. The wrong sentence is, they goes to school. The correct sentence is, they go to school. We do not add an S for they. Mistake number 3. The wrong sentence is, Sarah read a book every day. Remember our hook from the beginning. The correct sentence is, Sarah reads a book every day. Sarah is one person, so the verb needs an S. Mistake number 4. The wrong sentence is, I want an apple. The correct sentence is, I want an apple. Never put an S on a verb with I. Mistake number 5. The wrong sentence is, the dogs sleep in the house. The correct sentence is, the dog sleeps in the house. The dog is an it, so we need an S. Now it is time for quick practice. I will read a sentence with a blank. You fill in the blank with the correct verb. Number 1. Tom blank a car, drive or drives. Pause to think. The answer is drives. Tom drives a car. Number 2. I blank my friend, call or calls. Pause to think. The answer is call. I call my friend. Number 3. We blank at the hospital, work or works. Pause to think. The answer is work. We work at the hospital. Number 4. Emma blank to the library, walk or walks. Pause to think. The answer is walks. Emma walks to the library. Number 5. The student blank a book, read or reads. Pause to think. The answer is reads. The student reads a book. Now it is time for a grammar quiz. Are you ready? Let us begin. Question 1. Say an apple every morning. A. Eats. B. Eat. C. Eating. Pause to think. The correct answer is B. Eat. I takes a normal verb with no S. Question 2. Is she in a big house? A. Live. B. Living. C. Lives. Pause to think. The correct answer is C. Lives. We add an S because the subject is she. Question 3. They to the market. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Going. Pause to think. The correct answer is A. Go. They do not take an S. Question 4. David his phone often. A. Lose. B. Loses. C. Losing. Pause to think. The correct answer is B. Loses. David is a he, so we need an S. Question 5. We are family very much. A. Love. B. Loves. C. Loving. Pause to think. The correct answer is A. Love. We take a normal verb without an S. Question 6. The doctor many people. A. Help. B. Helping. C. Helps. Pause to think. The correct answer is C. Helps. The doctor is one person, so we add an S. Question 7. You very good English. A. Speaks. B. Speak. C. Speaking. Pause to think. The correct answer is B. Speak. You do not take an S on the verb. Question 8. The cat milk. A. Drinks. B. Drink. C. Drinking. Pause to think. The correct answer is A. Drinks. The cat is an it, so we need an S. Question 9. I at a restaurant. A. Works. B. Working. Se. Work. Pause to think. The correct answer is C. Work. The subject, I needs a verb with no S. Question 10. Sarah and Tom to school. A. Walks. B. Walk. C. Walking. Pause to think. The correct answer is B. Walk. Sarah and Tom are two people, which means they do not take an S. Let us do a quick speaking challenge. Say these 3 sentences out loud. I drink water. She drinks water. They drink water. Great job. Speaking practice helps you remember. Let us do a quick summary. The present simple talks about habits and routines. For I, you, we, and they, use the verb with no S. For he, she, and it, add an S to the verb. That is the rule. It is very easy to remember. Now it is time for your homework. Challenge time. Write 3 present simple sentences in the comments. Write 1 sentence with I. Write 1 sentence with she. Write 1 sentence with they. I will reply to as many comments as I can. Did you enjoy this lesson? If this video helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment with your homework. Share this lesson with your family and friends. This is learning while listening anytime. In our next lesson, we will learn about the present continuous. Keep learning. Keep listening. Keep growing your English with learning while listening anytime.